All right, doing a quick unboxing of my new shift knob. So I got a shift knob for my Toyota Matrix XRS. It came in two of these priority mail things. If you sell stuff on eBay or ship stuff with priority mail, you know you're not supposed to use more than one of these. Because they kind of use it as bubble wrap, which you're not supposed to do. So they should probably stop doing that. And I'm not the person calling them out, because I'm not saying who actually sold it to me. And I've seen other videos where people have already opened them, and there's two of these, which, that's just not good. But it's a Ssco 700 gram what do they call it? Wrinkle black shift knob. Trying to open it one-handed while using my camera. Shift Solutions Co. Custom shift knobs and accessories. Code welcome for 10% off. I did not get that. Well, shoot. I should have bought a cheap one first and got welcomed. Because this was not cheap. This was $59.99. So not cheap for a little piece of metal. It is heavy though. It's very heavy. $700 heavy, but it doesn't sound like a crazy amount of weight, but because of how small it is a crazy amount of weight. Alright, 15 minutes later, I got it open. Focus camera, thank you. So yeah, it's that wrinkle black. It kind of I don't know. It's different. I like it though. It's just a textured thing. It almost looks like a truck bed liner or like plastic trim in a car or paneling or something. I don't know, but it feels nice. It's got a little bit of a grip to it. It's not super premium looking, but nose is running because it's so damn cold out. So this is the XRS here. Oh, I already got it running because I gotta go drop some stuff off. Alright, so installation process here is grab and twist. And to get the proper size, I think you can just put in what vehicle you have, and eBay or Amazon or wherever you're shopping will let you know that it's the right size, and it'll work. For this car, this is the 12 by 1.25. That's the shift size. This thing actually has a good amount of weight to it too. I'd never taken it off before. But yeah, the top's actually fairly heavy on this. I was not expecting that. I thought it would be much lighter, but it's definitely way, way, way lighter than this puppy though. So yeah, just line up the threads, and I usually try to go in reverse slowly first until I feel it engage. There we go. and then go forward clockwise to screw it on, and voila, it's on there. So yeah, it looks good. Try to give you a reference of what size it is in the car. Oh yeah, definitely. It's got, let me throw it in gear. Oh yeah, wow. That is like, it's a whole different thing. Feels like a different transmission. Got these stupid cords hanging. Wow. I mean, I know it's going to be different when I actually drive it, but just from doing this, like, it just feels like it slots in so much better. And especially first to second, like, boom. And it seems like it's almost easier to find third because of the weight of it. Like second to third, because of the weight, when it snaps back in neutral, it goes right to the center, like, more solidly. Whereas with the other one, it kind of was just more wobbly because it wasn't that heavy. But with this, it's boom. And then 6. Yeah. Wow. Alright, well, that's that. I hope this was helpful so far. And I can give a little update after I drive this around. And, yeah. So, that's it. Ssco shift knob on eBay. This is the 700 gram one in Wrinkle Black. Cheers. Subscribe.